Hi, in this video we'll cover everything about the milestones and the project updates. So I'll quickly get into the projects module and I'll search for our project which is S00086. Now if again I go to these three dots here, the drop down menu, we can see tasks, milestones, project updates here. So I would be explaining milestones first. So according to our renovation template, already few milestones have been created here, and I have added a deadline for Del 1 and Del 2, and also I have marked Del 1 as reached here. We can see the sales order item from here and also the tasks related to Del 1. Let me get into the tasks, and these are all the tasks related to Del 1. Now, if I go back, so I have marked Del 1 as reached. Now let us go back and see how it looks in the charts, in the Gantt chart. Going to the Gantt chart. So this is our milestone. So I had added 17th for Del 1 and 23rd for Del 2. So this shows that Del 2 will be completed, or the deadline for Del 2 is 23rd, but there is no check mark which tells us that this milestone is yet to be achieved, while we have a tick mark on Del 1 which shows us that Del 1 is already complete. So similarly, we can add different milestones here. Going to milestones and then new, and then we can add a milestone. About milestones, to mark a milestone as reached, either we can check it from here, or let us go back to the project and then the drop down menu again, and let's see what we have in project updates. So this is the dashboard where you can see all the updates about the project and also create new updates about the project here. So to create a new update or a new review, I would click on this new button, and here let me create the monthly review. So I can select the status right from here. Is it on track, at risk, off track, on hold, or is it done? And also I can mark the progress from here. Like if I mark 50%, it will show it on the progress bar, and also choose the author who would be the manager, and also the date for this monthly review. Okay. And for description, we already have a pre-built summary here, and we can check, we can create new a new format. Like I will create a table and I will write at risk tasks, risk associated, time taken. So this way I can add all the major major changes in the description right here. And also again we have a chatter here where you can log a note for your employee or send an email to the customer right from here. And if we want to add a URL or document, we can do it from the attachment bar here. I'll save this. I'll go back to the project updates. Now I can see that we have two monthly reviews. I'll change the date for this one. Maybe 16th of September it was. Yeah. And also from here I can see how many tasks have been completed and what percentage. How many hours have been recorded, what documents are attached to the tasks. The sales order linked to this project, sales order items. These are the 24 tasks we have. And then I had created two invoices, one for Dell 1, one for Dell 2. And also we can see the burn down chart right here. And we have the sales order items here. So we can see how much was sold originally, how much has been delivered, and if something has been invoiced. And also we can calculate the profitability from here because we know that how much was initially decided and how much is invoiced. So here we can see that there is nothing to invoice. So we have already invoiced what was expected. And below we have milestones. So either we could mark the milestone as reached from the milestones dashboard, or I can just mark it from here. So once I mark the milestone as reached, this would show in our project 2 S0086. If I get into the project in the Gantt chart, I can see that del 2 also has been achieved. So this is the importance of milestones. And I right now I have the Gantt chart with milestones open. I can also see it by assignees. So I know that administrator has spent these many hours, user has spent these many hours, and at what time the milestone was achieved. And we can also go back and change the date of the deadline of the milestone right from here. We can let me change it to 31st and I'll save it. Now if I go back and see in my Gantt chart, it has been changed to 31st right here. So this is all about project updates, and we also have a reporting here where we can see the task analysis. In chart, we can see and also we can create our own dashboard, like choose if we want to see the allocated time or hours spent maybe. So we can see that um, these many hours were spent in on this project, and we can also group it by project. And let me find. So this is our project right here, and let me hours spent. So there are 20 hours spent on this project. So we have different dashboards and different charts here, pie chart, and also cumulative we can see, and also insert it in a spreadsheet for our review. So this was all about project updates, reporting, and milestones.